Today I'm going to be doing a day to night library of looks video on the Color Icon palette in Comfort Zone from Wet n Wild. So I'm going to play the footage of me applying what I've done so far. So I've got this duochrome definer color. You can see the duochrome in it pretty well in this lighting. So I fluffed it into my crease with a brush and then packed it onto the eyelid, so you can see that it's quite duochrome. So it's one shadow on my lids and in my crease. And I just took the green eyelid shade, which you probably can't see very well from here. You can see it a little bit better in person. And put that on my lower lash line. If you have seen my one and done duochrome eyeshadow look video, you'll know that this is pretty much the same technique that I like to use for duochrome eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go ahead and sort of transform this into more of a night look, and I'm gonna be using this side. I'm actually gonna be using all four colors. I'm putting this one on my lid, this will be on my lower lash line, this will be in my crease, and this will be on my brow bone. So these two colors here are not what they seem. I don't like them nearly as much as the other colors in the palette. Let me tell you a little bit about the colors in the palette. This is a, there we go, this cream color is a great brow bone color. This is a really nice eyelid shade. It's a nice shimmery peachy color. I used that to further warm up the crease some more, and that worked pretty well. It kind of helped diffuse what I had in there before. This crease color that looks like a deep rich brown, it comes out as a much lighter bronze color, and it's not, I mean, it's pretty pigmented, but it's not as deep as it looks. And with this definer color, it looks like there's a lot of red tones in it, but the red doesn't really come across. It's almost got like a navy base to it, and the burgundy shimmer that's in it just really doesn't come across at all. So that's definitely my least favorite shade in this palette. This brow bone shade is actually a really great inner corner highlight or eyelid shade. It's a really pretty pewtery kind of color. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous sage green. I wish it was a tiny bit more pigment, a tiny bit more opaque. Charcoal with this weird gold glitter in it. It just comes across as like a really dark charcoal. It's actually a pretty rich charcoal color, and the glitter blends away, and I've never had any trouble with the fallout of my cheeks or anything, but whatever. But definitely the star of this palette is this duochrome eyeshadow here. It is gorgeous. For what these palettes cost, I think it's definitely worth a buy. I really enjoy it. I believe they have recently redid these as well, and they've added more shades. So I do have the older version. If you have the newer version, let me know what you think. But yeah, my library of looks playlist will be linked down below, as well as all of my social media as always. And thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me. It helps me out a bunch. And that's all I've got for you today. So until next time.